Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. My name is Samiullah and you are watching Universe of Sarkar. Today we will discuss about this button here. If you click on this button, you will see a lot of menu here. You can say this button to fly out bunny button, and if you are the Mac user, you can see these menu here over there, just like edit menu, view menu, and window menu. But we are window user and will see this button here. Today we will discuss about this button on all menus. First of all, we have a new. If you click on there, you will see the starting screen here, and I'm going to close this. And if you click on again, and you will see open. If you click on here, and you will explore your file in your PC. Here, this is my file. I can open, select this, and just click on open. It will be open on the screen. And again, click on this button, and same command here. Just like open, and you will see the command here, and over there you can open the recent work and also clear from the clear menu. And there is a get UI kit. UI mean user interface kit. We will discuss in the next video all options, just like Apple iOS, material design, and Microsoft Windows wire framework. What are these? We will learn in the next video, inshallah. And here you can see the OpenCC library. If you have a CC, I mean you have a Creative Cloud account, you can access your file in from your library. If you make a file and want to save this file to your CC library, you can save, and again you can open from the CC library. And next we have a rename. You can rename your artboard, your file, and etc. Here you can save your file, save as save, and revert to save. It's mean if you save the file and do some work on your file and want to revert your file, you can click here, show the history. You can see the history of your work. Turn on and off spelling check from here. You can do it. And next we have export. You can the batch export, select export, oddball export, and export to afterwork. I'm just click on here. You can see this dialog box that pop out here, and format. You can choose PNG, SVG, PDF, JPEG. And if you choose the PNG, you see the radio buttons just like design, web, iOS or Android. And if you choose SVG, you see embedded link, and if you choose PDF, you will see this asset, and if you see the JPEG, you will see design and web, and the quality of there 100%. And want to change the export folder, you can change from here. We will learn all options in the next video that will come soon. I'm going to cancel this and click on here. You see import. You can import your file. I'm going to click here. See, you can import these files, and if you open, yes, and want to see which kind of file we can open, click here. XD, PSD, I mean Photoshop, and Sketch. It is also prototyping software. We can interact it, but it works in Mac. And also find here Illustrator. Next we have the plugin menu. You can discover, manage, and develop for your plugin. And develop mean you can create a plugin just like this. Show develop folder, show develop console, reload plugin. If you click on here, the plugin dialog box will show just like this. My internet not working properly, that's why it's showing like this. You can see your plugin here and pay for your plugin and use it. Again, I'm clicking on here. Find the help menu here. What's new? If you want to see what is a new feature or what's a new thing in this software, you can see from here. Learn and support, provide a feedback, release note, Adobe XD help tutorial, and about XD. Click on here. You see the version of Adobe XD here. and you can change the language, manage the account, sign in, update. If you want to update this software, just click on here, but I don't want. So this is our today topic about menu button, and next we will learn about these options. So व्यूअर ये थी आज की वीडियो जिसके अंदर हमने सारा का सारा सीखा इस फ्लाईआउट मेन्यू बटन के बारे में। तो मैंने ये सारा इंग्लिश में ही बताया है क्योंकि मेरा आज दिल कर रहा था इंग्लिश में ये ट्यूटोरियल बनाने पे। तो उम्मीद है आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी, और अच्छी लगी है तो लाइक कर दें, मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके और अपने दोस्तों का शेयर करके मुझे सपोर्ट करें। नेक्स्ट जो हम पढ़ेंगे वो हम पढ़ेंगे गेट यूआई किट्स के बारे में, ये क्या होता है, और यहाँ पे जितने भी ऑप्शन दिए गए हैं इन सबको हम वन बाय वन करके देखेंगे, और कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी होंगी जो हमें डाउनलोड करनी होंगी और वो हमें बिल्कुल फ्री मिल जाएंगी और बाद नहीं मिलेंगी। सो ये हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में ही देखेंगे। तो आज की वीडियो में व्यूअर इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। अल्लाह हाफिज़।